Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Planet 3D Model. In this video, we're gonna make the Ford Mustang, but the Ocean Edition, Sea Edition. So I made its name Sea Ford. Okay, first of all, we add reference images and place them correctly, just like that. Placing reference images are important so we can make the car correctly and add a plane with mirror modifier, auto mirror, turn the auto mirror on from end menu, and then start extruding it, start making it by extrusion. We can turn on the wireframe and make it from all sides. We have to extrude every loop and every vertex from every side to make the car as exactly as it in the reference. Turn the opacity a little low to make better car, to make it look better, so we can see through it, then we can make it easy. Place the vertices correctly from top, side and front view. Okay, now extrude the, first of all I make the roof and then extrude it out down to the bonnet and back to the body. Okay. Placing vertices is important, but keeping the topology simple and yes, keep it simple is also important. And placing vertices is more important. Look from every angle for better results and see if there is not a problem. Select some vertices and extrude them to the side, and then we can fill it later on and complete the meshed body. We have to keep it simple and low poly, so we don't need any further mesh to make this car. Every car we make. What it does, gives a great look, and it looks a little realistic too. And we can use it in any game we want. That's up to us. Okay, now extrude every part like I did to the front. I extruded some three edges there and move them, place them correctly according to the reference. Then placing vertices around the tire hole on the body is important so we can easily create the hole for the tire. Keep it simple and low poly, and it gives a nice look and clean the poly. We can set these vertices from the body and extrude them down. We have to add some root cuts somewhere into the body to keep the nice, clean, simple, and we can say that we have to keep it simple and clean the body. That's what I'm trying to say, and we can fill it later on because we have the vertices meshed. Okay, now we can look from every angle in the focus view and extrude it. Then extrusion and filling is the main work we are doing, and keeping the look simple and equal according to the reference. We can make it high resolution, but it's up to us what we require, and we can make it like this. But I need to make it low poly, so I am making low poly. So I want you to make low poly cars just like so. We can add subdivision level to it later on and keep it high res. Make it like high definition. Okay, we can make it later on high detailed car and it will look more realistic. Okay, now extrude and fill every part of the car body, and extrude the vertices from every angle like top and side and front too. And keep it simple and make the topology correct. We have to make the headlights from the body, like make the holes for headlights Later on, we can fill it and make the headlights like we want. It is a good way and good, simple and easy way to make cars like this. Keeping the cars nobody and simple, and we can do whatever we want to it later on. And we have a low polygon, so we can edit it easily later on if you want any changes. Fill some areas for correct filter and extrude them. Turn the clipping on from the mirror to merge them. The extrusion we do to the middle of the car. So it gives a good result for us. And to make the glass windows and front back windows, insert some faces and move them a little bit down. We can Alt S it and move it just right down like that, and make the windows and windshield and background just like this. Move them a little bit inward and back just like this. It gives a nice look and makes the windshield correctly. Sometimes the mesh can be a little complicated to edit, so keep in mind to keep it simple and easy to edit later on. We can use the knife tool for further mesh count if you want any further mesh. Now in the last, add the details from front, back to the side and wherever we want. Just like make the headlights, fill the headlights correctly according to the mesh, and from the front, extrude them use the left extruding to maintain the poly count. I prefer to you to insert some areas and move them a little back. I prefer to you to use the inversion instead of extruding any part. Just to maintaining the low polygon. The main target is to keep it less than 5000 polygon. 5000 vertices I'm saying, and it's up to us how we maintain to keep it low there. To keep it that low, just 5000. We can keep it in more than 2000 to make it more detailed, like that. After we make the body, we can make tires from a loop with only loop and ring circle, and keep it segment only 12 to 14. Only limited range is 12 to 14, and then we can make the tires out of it. Now to fill the bottom of the car body, extrude and fill some areas and extrude them down to the middle and fill the correct faces and fill the correct mesh and keep it simple and don't try to make it a mess. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Just like that. Add a circle with only 12 to 14 segments. Move them to the side, rotate them and place them correctly to the wheel. Extrude them. Extrude them on the edge. Add mirror modifier. Target of the body. Now we have to select this too and add another circle with only the we need to make the rim. To make the rim, we need to add the circle with only specific count of mesh. We can make it 5, 4, and 6, 8. How much we want. So it's up to us the wheel design we want. After we done extruding, after we done cutting the wheel rim, we can extrude it out. And make the wheel perfectly. Just like that, I make it like that. Keep it simple and low poly as well. We don't need much higher mesh for any part of the body, any part of the car. And we need to make it a floatable car, so we don't need any further mesh. After we done modeling, we can color the whole car as we show the color of the whole car. Just like I did to the body, like gray, and I need some areas to be black and windows to be shiny. Color the same color of the previous car if we want any part of the body to color that. Just like that, give emission to the lights and backlight. Just like that. Now duplicate the face from the back and extrude it inward and make the backlight. First, let's set it correctly next to the back of the car and color it emission red color. Watch the previous video of I made the Eco Bugatti and watch that video. I recently uploaded and follow me to hear more fun stuff like this. And like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Now after we color this car, we need to make it floatable underwater car. So we have to model it that way. Now our car is complete. Now the real work begins. We have to make it floatable underwater car. Mustang. And select some spaces from the side and extrude out the wing. Now we need to make the fan from the side. Now duplicate the one tire and rotate it on the Z and make them next to the wing. Place them next to the wing and color them as the body of the car. Just like that, bevel some areas if you want and edit some areas if you need any editing you want. Just like that. Now make spoilers from the back to make it look normal. After we done, this will be our final car with the fan, wings and back spoiler, back tail we can say that. So these are the quick and easy way to make model cars and underwater floatable cars. This is the final result and next one. Allah.